The first thing that I would like to speak about it is like the starting lineup. Into engiyele ngayibona, most of the fans they were criticizing ukuthi why is Hlongwane available not there, because the kid actually had like a good performance available, especially for like his debut yakhe. He had a good performance, but he was not featured available for in or for today's game. One thing that we need to understand as like our fans, especially as like Kosi faithful fans, is that into each and every game yabo has its like planning vele, has its approach vele yabo yabo le camera, each and every game ine approach yayo. So kuzoyenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe kwamanye amagame vele yabo kuzoba khona iplayer elinjani njani, kwamanye amagame kube khona iplayer vele elinjani njani according to like approaches abayisebenzisayo. And another thing, igame yePolokwane City and Stellenbosch, it won't be the same. You see HUT, see my thing, I need to buy like a ring light. Ngithi igame like Stellenbosch negame yePolokwane City, they won't be the same. Stellenbosch will wanna play pound to pound, games over quick available. And then when you're playing the likes of like Obonto, Obo Polokwane City, maybe Richards Bay, maybe Boma, I don't know, singibheke ngithi maybe Bomake but naye Marcus perform. Maybe okay, let me say Orbit College for example. You will need those teams bazofuna ukudlala ngamandla ngama-counter attacks yabo. Anyeke vele baya pound to pound. This is not like you're playing against into Sundowns, you're playing against Stellenbosch or very Orlando Pirates, which was something Unabi bekayisho last season when like he finished out of like top 8.